everyone. So in this video, we'll see what are sets in Python. A set in Python programming is an unordered collection data that is iterable, mutable, and has no duplicate elements. So these are some basic characteristics of a set. That it is iterable, it is mutable. That means it can be modified, it can be changed, and has no duplicate elements. So what does this mean? Let's see it with an example. Let's say I have created a list and I'm adding a duplicate element, that is 2 here. So if I have to remove this duplicate element, what I can do is I can convert this list into a set. So let's see, I'm converting this list into a set, and if I now print my set, what I'll have is I'll have the duplicate element removed. So this is the biggest quality a set have, that it automatically removes the duplicate elements. What else a set can do? You can add any value of any data type to your set by using add function. Let's say we add 4 here, and if I now print our set, we'll see that 4 is successfully added here. And so we can also add data of other data types like string, boolean. So let's see, can do that or not. Let's use add function. I'm adding a data of string type. Let's print our set. So we have successfully added a string data type as well. Now let's add a data type of boolean. Let's see if it works also. Yeah, it is added. The difference is that it has been added to the first place because the boolean term false represents to a integer value of 0. So 0 comes before 1. That's why it has been added at the first place. So these are some basic functions or basic methods of sets. Other thing you can do in a set is, let's say I'm creating another set, and for creating a set you have to use curly braces, and I can pass anything inside this, like with Python, and let's pass some integer data as well. Okay, so if I have to do a union between these two sets, set underscore and set one, so how can I do that? I can use a union function. See set dot union on set one. Let's see if that works. I have to use print statement as well. Now if I run this, so yeah, here you can see that we have a set, we have a whole new set which is having a union between these two sets. So let me print my set one as well, so you can clearly see what's happening. So this is set underscore and this is set underscore one. So and here I have done a union between these two sets. That means it will have all the values of set underscore and all the values of set underscore one. Now let's say if I want to do an intersection, I'll simply use intersection function, and it will only give me the values which are common in both the sets. So Rohit is here and Rohit is here as well, and the value of 2 is also there in both the sets. And can use difference. See what does it turns. So yeah, anything which is not common in both the sets, we can extract that using difference function. And if you don't want to use the names of these functions, you can also use operators like for intersection we have AND operator, for union we have this operator, and for intersection we have this operator. So you can use these operators as well, and for difference obviously you can use minus sign. So if I want to clear my set, like I want to empty it, I can use clear function. So let's say I'll clear my set 1, use this clear function, and you have the value none. Let me print, let's print it here only. If I now print my set 1, I'll have an empty set. Oh, it has not been cleared. Clear it. I guess I have to pass clear function. Set this like this. But now if I'm clearing my set 1, I'm calling my set 1. Yeah, got this. So I've cleared my set 1, and if I now call set 1, I'm having an empty set. So these are some basic functionalities of a set. If you know these things, I can say that it's enough to solve any DSA problem related to sets, and you can also answer many questions related to set in an interview as well. So if you find this informative, please like and subscribe and share it with your tech friends. Thank you.